What's up, y'all? This is Value Detail. In this video, we're going to be answering the question, is it worth spending $300 on the Cox vacuum hose reel? Now, I had this vacuum hose reel for a few years now, and I definitely feel like I got the value out of it that I was looking for. I don't know if it's going to work for you, but I'm going to tell you right now, I think it's worth every penny that I spent on it. Every $300, wherever I spent on it, it might have been like over $300. Who knows? I don't remember, but I know it wasn't cheap, especially for like any of these Cox hose reels. You're gonna spend some money, but you gotta understand the quality is kind of there. And you know, I'm not saying like quality as in like the plastics breaking or whatnot. Like, you know, I done had problems with the tensioners on my Cox reel for my pressure washer, but I believe that's because I got a heavy duty pressure washer hose that I put in there, and it's just really heavy and it end up messing it up. But I don't really need the tensioner anyways for that. It doesn't unroll at all, so it doesn't even matter. What I'm saying is like the welding quality of it, you know, how it's, you know, constructed, it's better, you know. Now with your detailing business, you gotta ask yourself, is it really worth $300? Is that really worth that? Is you gonna get the value out of it? Taking your shop vac out of your van and packing it back up every time you're done doing the job, or do you want to just roll up a hose? Those are the questions you gotta ask. But you also got other options. You can go to Lowe's and you can pick up a swimming pool vacuum hose reel for the cheap, for like $50 to $60, something like that. And it's like 40 to 50 feet. I'm sure to give you the same results as the Cox reel. I mean, it's just not gonna look as, you know, as nice, but it's definitely gonna work the same. It's a reel, so, and it's a lot cheaper. You just got to figure out a way to mount it in your detailing setup, and then you'll be in there. You're golden once you figure that out, and then you hook it up to your shop vac, mount your shop vac, and now you got, you know, a reel that you're just pulling out, and you roll up when you're done. That's it. Easy. And that's what it's all about. It's like making that detail way easier, you know, so we can get things done faster. You know, it be hot out here sometimes. We're not trying to be in these cars forever, vacuuming out these cars, and I'm definitely not trying to be pulling the shop vac around the cars, you know. And you know, that's just like what I used to do in the beginning. I used to pull the shop vac around the cars. You can keep your shop vac stationary. You can get like a hose adapter and connect two of the commercial size hoses together, and you got a really long hose right there. It's probably like 40 feet right there. So, you know, there's other options you can take. You don't have to go the hose reel. The hose reel just makes your van look nice, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's kind of like a trend basically, but you get some value out of it because it makes your job a lot easier, you know. It's one less thing you got to pack up when you're done washing the car. All you gotta do is roll up your hose, on to the next one. Alright, y'all, so that's the video. And if you want to go out and buy yourself a 50-foot Cox vacuum hose reel for your detailing setup, don't feel like no type of way about spending that money, because at the end of the day, you invested in yourself when you're making your job easier, and that's what it's all about. We out here trying to work easy, you know what I'm saying, and you know, smarter, and that's what it's all about, you know. So go ahead and do it, and that's it, y'all. So y'all have a nice day. Like the video, subscribe, and until next time, Value Detail is gonna holler at you.